This is not a random scroll video. It has no hashtags. So if it is reaching out to you, Jesus has planned this for you to see this. My beloved child, today, I come to you not with heavy burdens, but with peace that surpasses all understanding. I see your heart, your worries, and the silent questions you hold deep within. You are not forgotten, and you are not alone. I have called you by name, and I have chosen this moment to remind you of my unwavering love. You may feel weary from the journey, but I am your strength. You may have faced setbacks, but I am your restoration. What has been broken will be made whole, what has been lost will be found, and what has seemed impossible will become a testimony of my power in your life. Do not fear tomorrow, for I have already walked ahead of you. I am preparing a way where there seems to be none. Doors that were once closed will open, and paths that seemed uncertain will become clear. Trust in me, for I am the author of your story, and I write only in love and victory. You are deeply treasured. You are wonderfully made. You are covered in my grace, and nothing, no storm, no failure, no past mistake, can separate you from my love. I am pouring out blessings upon you, not just for today, but for the days ahead. You will see my hand at work in unexpected ways. Opportunities will arise, healing will come, and peace will settle in your heart like never before. What you have prayed for is being answered in ways beyond your imagination. Hold on to my promises, for they are unshakable. When you feel weak, lean on me, for I am your refuge. When you feel lost, remember, I am your guiding light. When you feel unloved, know that my love for you is eternal, deeper than the ocean and brighter than the stars. Go forward with courage, for I am with you always. Walk in faith, for my plans for you are good. And rest in my presence, for you are forever held in my hands. My beloved child, I bless you with peace, with joy, and with abundant love. Stay close to me, and you will never lack. Your breakthrough is near, and your best days are still ahead. Amen.